I'm Tomasz from the i5 team. Welcome to the channel. Today we will take a quick look at our upcoming development kit, which will be COM Express Type 6. In this preview we'll take a look at our first COM Express Type 6 revision 3.1 compliant kit based on a 12th generation Intel Core processor, or formerly known Alder Lake-P. This kit supports two new quite cool features. First is PCIe Gen4 and then USB 4. Let us take now a closer look at the development kit, which consists of Express-ADP module, cooling solution and reference carrier board Express base 6R3.1. So as you can see, this module supports up to 2 USB 4 ports. Each port can support up to two 4K displays, total 4 4K displays, and each port can support multiple inputs or outputs. The configuration can be very flexible, so you can save space on the carrier. In our example, you can take a look at the hub where we have LAN, storage, USB and HDMI display connectors. This module supports also up to 16 PCIe Gen4 lanes. Here the configuration is also quite flexible, and as you can see, this development kit offers a lot of high-speed signals. The kit will be released in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. In the description below you can find a link to the module product landing page, and there are more links to our social media, so follow us on our channels, and see you soon again.